How to make computer voices more realistic using reverb. First up, let's get some speech to work with. Here's a site I like. Go to ttsfree.com. Type your text here. And choose a voice you like here. This is the voice you're hearing now. Let's type some random stuff for an example to use. Click on Convert Now. It will autoplay when done. The problem with computer voices is that they are too digital and lack resonance. If you're happy, click Save MP3. Next, we will need an app to make the reverb. Today we'll use Audacity. Here's how to download. Select your operating system. Install and let's go. Time to fire up Audacity. And open up the example recording. I'll do it twice for comparison. Select the audio you want to change. Go to Effects. And select Reverb. Experiment with these sliders. To get a result that sounds good to you, click the Preview button after each adjustment. And when you're happy, click OK. Here's the result. Before, the problem with computer voices is that they are too digital and lack resonance. After, the problem with computer voices is that they are too digital and lack resonance. Well, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. I hope this helped. Bye for now.